All right, let's take some of our divisibility rules and put them into practice. So what I've got here, Tanner, stop talking. Ben, turn around and face the front of the room. Thank you. All right, now what I want you to do is I want you to take all of the numbers and I want you to place them along with the number that where the divisibility rule applies. So for example, just so you can see the number 14 right here. I can tell already that because it's an even number that it will fit in the category of 2. The 2 will divide evenly. So I'm going to select all the numbers in here that will divide evenly by 2, and then I'm going to do the same for 3, same for 4, same for 5, 6, and 10. Take the time to make sure that you do that, and then what I want you to do before you start is hit pause, and then when it's time for you to check your answers, then you can start this up again and you can check your answers against mine. So hit pause now. All right, everybody settle down. Yes, I'm talking to you, Caden. Settle down. All right, if we take a look at the answers here, obviously all the even numbers, those are pretty straightforward. Anytime you see an even number, you know that automatically it divides by 2. With the 3s, it's a little bit more complicated, but when you add up these digits, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. We know 15 divides by 3, so we know that 168 divides by 3. Same with 192. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 2 is 12. We know 12 divides by 3 evenly, so both of these numbers check out. With the 4s, all of these, actually the last 2 digits, all we had to focus on is the last 2 digits. This one here, I wanted to point out because if you take a look, that 192 and 92 both divide evenly by 4. And the reason is because we know that any multiple of 100 will automatically divide by 4. So all we're doing is looking at the last 2 digits. So we can see obviously that 200 clearly divides by 4. Okay? Rule of 5. We've got 85. Any number that ends in a 5 or ends in a 0, you know is money for you. Rule of 6. Well, in this case, all we have to do is rewrite the entire section of the rule of 3 because they were both even numbers and they both divided evenly by 3. So whatever divides evenly by 3 and by 2 automatically divides even by 6. And then the last one, obviously anything that ends in 0, that is a 2-digit or greater number. In this case, 200 and 1040. Make your corrections. And you can hit the pause button now. Isaac, Carly, quit talking. Hit the pause button.